Meli Kalikimaka from us at the Smart Woodshop to the Smart Fam. This is a little different than any year in the past around Christmas. We've always done a Christmas list to give options or our tool choices for the woodworker in your life. Not necessarily for the woodworker, but for the one in your life, the gift giving guide. There are always special choices based on my use and what I actually like. And we did that this year. In fact, I will try to remember to put the link to that video right up here. What's different about this year, and we just decided to do this today, and that is we're going to offer a coupon discount, a discount on the plans, the smart plans. We have never done that. We've never had a sale. We've never had a discount. My philosophy from the very beginning, when I set the price as low as possible, was to keep the prices low. We obviously have to cover our costs, our hosting of the plans with the third party and distribution and credit card fees and all those things. But we just wanted to keep the margins really low. And so there's a few things we've not done because of that, because we don't have big margins. There's not a lot to put on sale. And also we don't do upgrades. So if you bought the original Workbench way back and the Workbench 2 came out, it was just a separate product and we eliminated the other. So those are a couple of business decisions we made, and again, sales and stuff just is not what we're about. But again, we were talking about it and we have so many plans and they've been very successful in selling. We just wanted to offer a special Christmas gift just to the Smart Fam. The coupon will be a code, and I will try to put it here if possible, but I guarantee you I will put it in the description of this video down below, along with a hot link to the plans page where you can go and purchase them. So the thing to do is go down below, copy the code, however you do that, Command V or on your phone, drag across, just copy it so you've got it in memory. Then click on that link, go through there and look for the plans you're looking for. Now here's a little hint. I said we never do a coupon, discount, or sale, but there is a discount that's been there for a long time, and that's the packages. We have put together packages over the years based on purchasing and how people put their own together, and because it's a package, we discounted the price so it's less expensive to buy the package than to buy each of those plans in the package separately. And there's a brand new package this year, and that was based on the questions and the recommendations that I've given many, many times on what is just the best starter pack, adding the other things later. So I put that package together, and it's been very, very popular. So it will be in there as well. Again, this coupon will work on any of the plans. The coupon will be good from when this video goes live until the end of the year. So we will go and actually include the first day of 2026. So from now to 2026, January 1st. And if this is a gift for the woodworker in your life, then this is a great option to save a little money and get a gift right now. Highly recommend, though, that you don't just provide the download link and the code in case they stall. I would recommend going ahead and downloading the plans, because once you download them, they're PDF and you have a copy that lasts forever. It isn't like, oh, I have to go back and use the code. No, you download them, you've got the PDF, it's yours forever. You can then choose to print them, which I don't recommend because it costs more to print them than the plans actually cost. I think the best way to do it is to use it on your iPhone or your phone, your smartphone, or your tablet, because you can zoom in. It's a lot easier. If you do print it though, be sure to have it printed in 11 by 17 because everything is formatted for good visibility at that size. If you do 8.5 by 11, the text and stuff get pretty small and it's hard to read. They don't do me a lot of good. I don't print them anymore. I save the money and I always have them on my phone so I can just zoom in. And I've got all my plans on my phone. So if I'm looking up something, it's a reference that's right there. Merry Christmas to the Smart Woodshop fam. I hope for you the best holiday season ever with your family. Mahalo.